Ito ang isa sa mga skills na kailangan mong matutunan kung gusto mong gumaling sa trading. At yun ay ang pagkakaroon ng proper take profit strategy. What do I mean by that? Let me explain. Most traders pag pumasok sa isang trade at umangat pa lang ng bahagya, nagbebenta na sila. Why? Because at the back of their mind, talo ako last trade at baka bumalik pa to sa break even. Kaya kukunin ko na. Relate ba? Pero in reality, wala pa namang sell signal, may momentum pa yung coin, maganda pa yung potential reward, but because we lack rules and psychological discipline, we tend to exit the position early, resulting to regret. Dapat may take profit strategy ka kasi hindi ka nagbebenta pag masaya ka na. Narinig mo na ba yan? Sell when happy. You should be selling on a technical signal or basing it on price action.